In 2024, remote work opportunities are booming, and there's no better time to take advantage of the flexibility and freedom that comes with working from home. But here's the kicker. Finding a remote job doesn't have to be difficult, nor does it require extensive experience or a degree. In fact, I've found 7 entry-level remote jobs that you can apply for right now, and many of them don't require any advanced qualifications beyond what you probably already have. By the end of this guide, you'll not only have a solid list of remote jobs you can pursue, but also actionable advice on how to land them. So stick around, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make these roles yours and help you kickstart your remote career journey. Let's dive in. Starting with the first job on the list. First on the list is a Grievance and Appeals Intake Coordinator. A crucial role in healthcare where you'll help patients navigate the often complex world of healthcare systems. Think of this job as being the calm and understanding voice that assists patients in addressing their concerns, complaints, and appeals. What you'll be doing: you'll be responsible for processing and responding to patient grievances and appeals. This includes intake of patient issues, ensuring they are addressed in compliance with healthcare regulations, and making sure the patient's voice is heard within the healthcare system. It's not just about handling paperwork. It's about advocating for patient needs and helping them get the care and attention they deserve. Pay and qualifications. For this role, you can expect to earn between $46,000 and $66,000 a year. And here's the best part. It typically doesn't require a college degree or previous experience. Even if you come across a job posting that mentions needing prior experience, don't be discouraged. Apply anyway. Many companies are willing to waive such requirements if you demonstrate enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. How to land the job. Start by preparing yourself with some relevant training. Here are a few free courses that could help. The Science of Well-Being from Yale University on Coursera. A HIPAA training course from hhs.gov, which covers patient privacy regulations. A Customer Service Excellence certification from Allison, available for free with paid certificate options. Dispute resolution training from the American Bar Association. All of these will help you build a solid foundation for this role. Additionally, polishing up your data entry skills and ensuring you're comfortable with multitasking will make you an attractive candidate. CVS Health is actively hiring for this role, and you can explore opportunities through their job site. They even offer a virtual tryout, giving you a realistic job preview before you dive in. CVS offers great benefits too. Employees who work more than 30 hours per week get medical and prescription coverage, access to preventative care, and even a health savings account, HSA, plan. CVS Pharmacy prescription discounts are a nice perk, along with savings on Minute Clinic services. Career growth. This role can be a stepping stone to more advanced healthcare positions, such as a patient advocate, healthcare data analyst, or healthcare compliance specialist. It's a great entry point into the healthcare industry with potential for growth. Next on the list is a customer discovery specialist. If you've ever wondered how companies figure out what customers really want, this is the job where you'll help them find those answers. By conducting interviews, research, and surveys, you'll get to the core of customer desires and pain points, which in turn will guide companies in developing better products or services. What you'll be doing. Your primary role will be to conduct interviews and research to help businesses understand their customers' needs and preferences. This is the type of role where you get to help companies innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Think of it as being on the front line of product development. For example, the original iPhone wasn't just a stroke of genius from Steve Jobs. It was the result of extensive customer research. As a customer discovery specialist, you'll help companies uncover what customers truly want, which can lead to groundbreaking innovations. Pay and qualifications. In this role, you can expect to make between $71,000 and $103,000 a year. The good news? No specific degree is required for this role either. However, you can boost your chances of landing this job by completing relevant courses, such as Google Data Analytics, Professional Certificate, free on Coursera, Interviewing Techniques, offered by the University of Washington via edX, Professional Survey Methodologist Certification, offered by the American Association of Public Opinion Research. These courses will teach you how to design surveys, conduct effective interviews, and analyze customer data. All essential skills for this position. How to apply. One company hiring for this role is Novi, a venture studio that tackles healthcare challenges by co-founding startups. They offer impressive compensation packages, including medical, dental, and vision care, a 401k program, equity, and generous paid time off. To apply, head over to their website, browse the open roles, and tailor your resume to highlight your research and communication skills. Career growth. This role opens the door to many related career paths, such as becoming a social media listening analyst, customer success specialist, or even a market research analyst. It's a fantastic way to break into market research and customer insights, a field that's growing rapidly with the increasing reliance on data-driven decisions. Next on my list is a social media community engagement specialist. Do you love scrolling through social media? How about getting paid to do it? As a social media community engagement specialist, you'll interact with online communities on behalf of a brand, respond to comments, answer questions, and create a sense of engagement within that community. What you'll be doing. In this role, you'll engage with customers on social media platforms, respond to inquiries, and foster a positive image of the brand you're representing. You'll also promote content, encourage engagement, and be the bridge between the brand and its followers. Pay and qualifications. Expect to earn between $53,000 and $85,000 a year in this role. The great thing about this job is that it doesn't require a college degree or extensive prior experience. Just a passion for social media and some basic skills. To increase your chances of landing this job, you can take advantage of the following free or low-cost courses. Learn basic video editing, YouTube tutorials, or Canva for beginners. Copywriting courses from HubSpot Academy or Skillshare. Google Analytics Academy, which will teach you how to track social media metrics like engagement rates and follower growth. How to apply. One of the companies currently hiring for this position is Novi, but many other companies in various industries are looking for social media specialists. Simply search for Social Media Community Engagement Specialist on job boards like LinkedIn or Indeed, and tailor your resume to highlight your social media savviness. Career growth. This role could lead to careers such as social media manager, community moderator, or even digital marketing specialist. The skills you'll develop in this position, communication, analytics, and marketing, are highly transferable to a variety of digital marketing roles. Next is a document production specialist. If you're someone who finds satisfaction in creating organized, polished documents, this role might be for you. As a document production specialist, you'll ensure reports, presentations, and other documents are professional, error-free, and ready for presentation. What you'll be doing. You'll work primarily with Microsoft Word, Adobe Acrobat, and Excel, ensuring that all documents are formatted correctly, meet organizational standards, and are free of errors. This job is about attention to detail and strong organizational skills. Pay and qualifications. Document production specialists typically earn between $44,000 and $66,000 a year. No college degree is required for this position, but there are a few key skills and certifications that will make you stand out. Microsoft Office Specialist Certification. Available through Certiport, free training in Microsoft Word and Excel via support.microsoft.com. Improve your typing speed with free tools like KeyBR or Typing Club. How to apply. Eastern Research Group, ERG, is one of the companies hiring for this role. They specialize in consulting services that help companies improve their environmental, health, and safety standards. ERG's job listings can be found on their website, where you can filter for remote roles. Prepare your resume by highlighting your proficiency in Microsoft Office and your ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Career growth. Document production specialists often move on to roles such as data entry specialist, technical writer, or content strategist. This role provides a strong foundation for a career in content creation and management. Next on my list is a care delivery telesales agent. In this role, you'll be a care delivery telesales agent, a professional responsible for converting potential clients over the phone into long-term healthcare plans. With millions of people enrolling in Medicare each year, there's no shortage of customers to engage with. What you'll be doing. As a telesales agent, you'll spend your time reaching out to potential clients, explaining healthcare plans, and convincing them to sign up for long-term services. It's a role that requires strong communication and sales skills, but it doesn't require previous experience or a degree. Pay and qualifications. This position typically pays between $50,000 and $83,000 a year. Again, no prior experience is necessary, but you'll need excellent verbal communication skills and a basic understanding of sales principles. How to apply. There are several companies hiring for telesales positions, but Course Careers is one that offers free training for aspiring sales professionals. You'll find it linked on their website. The best part is that you'll not only gain valuable sales experience, but you'll also open the door to higher-paying roles in the future. Career growth. A telesales role can lead to more advanced sales positions, such as account manager, business development representative, or even a sales manager. It's an excellent opportunity to develop your sales skills, which are incredibly valuable in any career. Next is a chat room operator. Have you ever wondered who's on the other side of the chat box when you contact customer service? In this role as a chat room operator, that could be you. You'll help customers by responding to their questions and concerns through live chat, often using pre-written scripts. What you'll be doing: chat room operators handle customer inquiries in real time, offering assistance, troubleshooting, and sometimes even upselling products or services. You'll work closely with AI chat systems, stepping in when the automated responses aren't enough. Pay and qualifications. This role typically pays between $37,000 and $56,000 a year, depending on the company. The compensation is lower compared to some of the other jobs on this list, but it's a straightforward role that doesn't require a degree or extensive experience. How to apply. One company actively hiring for this role is Drips, which specializes in conversation as a service. You'll support their AI by providing human responses when needed, making sure that the customer experience is smooth and satisfying. Applications can be submitted directly through their website. Career growth chat room operators often move into customer service management, community management, or even roles in digital marketing. This job is perfect for someone looking to gain experience in customer interaction while working remotely. And last on my list is a creative marketing artist. Finally, if you have a creative streak and enjoy using digital tools to create eye-catching visuals, you might consider becoming a creative marketing artist. In this role, you'll use AI-driven tools to design marketing visuals for mobile games, social media, and other digital platforms. What you'll be doing: you'll work with AI tools like Stable Diffusion or DALL-E 2 to create visually stunning advertisements, often for mobile games or other tech products. Your creativity and understanding of marketing fundamentals will be key as you help brands stand out in a crowded digital space. Pay and qualifications. Creative marketing artists can earn between $53,000 and $95,000 a year. While no degree is required, some basic knowledge of marketing and digital art tools will help. You can improve your skills through free resources like practicing on Stable Diffusion or DALL-E 2, learning marketing fundamentals through Coursera or HubSpot Academy, building a portfolio on platforms like Wix or Behance. How to apply. One company hiring for this role is G5 Entertainment, which specializes in mobile game development. They offer remote positions that allow you to work from anywhere while creating visuals for their games. Applications can be submitted via their website. And the job comes with excellent benefits, including equity and generous paid time off. Career growth. This role can lead to more advanced positions such as marketing campaign analyst, creative content specialist, or even art director. As AI tools become more prevalent in marketing, roles like this one will become increasingly valuable. Final thoughts. Remote work is no longer a distant dream. It's a present reality. And these 7 entry-level jobs offer a way to break into the remote workforce without needing years of experience or a college degree. Each role provides not only a solid income, but also opportunities for growth and advancement in exciting fields. So whether you're drawn to healthcare, customer service, marketing, or creative design, there's a remote job out there for you. Take the first step today by applying for one of these positions, investing in some free training, and building your resume. The flexibility and freedom of remote work are within your reach, and now you know exactly where to start. Thanks for watching. And if you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.